much wider, guys. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about that. There's a spacer. Just machine build aluminum. I also got a new GoPro too. I upgraded to the black, the Hero 7 black with the super view, so hopefully this footage looks a lot better as well. I mean, if you can tell a difference in our videos from now on, let us know in the comments about that as well. Figured I'd upgrade our filming system for a little better quality for you guys. So that thing is nice and wide. Good parts for these.